Hello. For this problem, we are given a right triangle with angle theta and two of the sides. One side is 5 and the other side is 13. And that is the hypotenuse. It is the longest side of the triangle. The opposite side up to angle theta we don't know. Our goal is to find the value of each of the 6 trigonometric functions of the angle theta. And so we've got to find the hypotenuse, which we know is 13. The adjacent side to theta is 5. That adjacent means that it is right beside it. And we will use the Pythagorean theorem to find the opposite side, the side directly opposite from angle theta. And that is going to be side B. The Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We plug in 5 for A and 13 for C. We'll square both of those values. That gives 25 plus b squared equals 169. Next, we subtract 25 for both sides, and that gives that b squared equals 144. And so taking the square root of both sides, b is equal to 12. So just to recap, the adjacent side A is 5, the opposite side B is 12, and the hypotenuse, which is C, is 13. And so we know that the sine of angle theta is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse, and that equals 12 over 13. The cosine of angle theta is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, which is 5 over 13. The tangent of theta is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side, and that is 12 over 5. Next, cosecant theta is equal to the hypotenuse over the opposite side. Notice this is the reciprocal of the sine of theta. The hypotenuse is 13 and the opposite side is 12. So 13 twelfths, notice that is the reciprocal of 12 thirteenths. Secant theta is equal to the hypotenuse over the adjacent side. The hypotenuse is 13 and the adjacent side is 5. Notice that secant theta is the reciprocal of the cosine of theta. The cotangent of theta is the adjacent side over the opposite side, and that is 5 over 12. And also, notice that cotangent theta is the reciprocal of tangent theta. So if you remember that these are reciprocals of each other, then once you find sine, cosine, and tangent, you can easily find the other three values. Please let your instructor know if you have any questions about this topic.